Hello everyone, I am Said Azarul Haq, and today we are going to dive into some essential hotkeys used in AutoCAD. These shortcuts will help you speed up your workflow and become more efficient in your design projects. So let's get started. At the beginning, we have keys starting with A. At the beginning, for creating an arc, we'll give command A. For area or for measuring area or perimeter, we will use command AA. Then for managing or inserting any blocks or hexing, we'll use ADC. Then for aligning AL, for arraying, when we use command array, we have shortcut AR. And the next goes on as open for assistant, the ATI for changing the textual content, and then AWT redefines a block and update associated attributes for redefining a particular blocks. And then changing attribute information when you write something in a block or changing the information of the block, then we use command ATE. Let's come to letter B. At first, single B block, then BC for closing any block editor, and then for opening the block definition in the block editor, we use BE. Then for hatching BH for boundary, for closing up a certain boundary, we use BO. Then breaking a line or point, BR. Then BS for save the current block definition, and then creating a new set or delete a visibility state in a dynamic block. It is BBS. Then comes to the C. At the beginning, single C for creating a circle. And then next we have constraint bar, CBAR, CH for properties or control properties of existing object. Any object that is present, we need to know the properties. We will give command CH. And then next camphor, for camphor we will use CHA. And then for center line we will use CL. And then command line for the display of the command line. If somehow the command line is not showing up in our window, then we need to type CLI. And then for center mark or creating a center mark, we use CM. For color, COL. And for copy, CO. And that's a wrap on some of the most useful hotkeys in AutoCAD. Until next time, keep creating and exploring. Thank you.